Hey, what's up guys? So I'm gonna show you in this video how you could change who can follow you on Facebook. So it's pretty easy to filter out who can follow you on Facebook. It's gonna be a pretty easy step-by-step process. So let's get right into it. Starting off with going to the bottom right-hand corner and clicking the menu option here on Facebook. Now, when you do that, you should get brought up to the menu option here. Now, navigate your way to the settings and privacy and then untab it and to the settings. Now, under here, you're going to want to go over to audience invisibility. Now, pretty much all you're going to want to go ahead and do here is head over to followers and public content. Click it, and then here you have the option to choose who can follow me on Facebook. Now, here basically it tells you that it's pretty much public, and profiles in professional mode are set to public, so anyone can follow you. To change the setting, you'll need to turn off professional mode. So if you want to change who follows you on Facebook, make sure that you don't have a professional account active, and it'll actually give you the only me option to where you can only have yourself or just friends that are, in the inner circle following you on Facebook. But basically that's it. That's how you go ahead and change who can follow you on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you all for the next